gotta put your seeds in the ground. That's it.
That's it.
All right, friends, how are you guys doing today? I think it's about time that we did another garden update. My last garden update was like the end of February, the beginning of March, and so much has changed in the garden so far. So if you want to see what's going on in the garden, make sure that you stick around. All right, since you guys don't be watching all the way to the end, I'm gonna tell you now, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video from us. All right, let's go. Okay, so the brassicas are looking amazing. I will take these off so that you can really get, oh, that's actually hindering, but look, it's so skinny. So I might bury these a little bit deeper, or like build them up with some dirt so that oh, that's just the stuff from the thing. Okay, so that they're not so like linky. I don't know, you can see like this one, it seems like so much of it is outside of the ground. This one looks a little bit healthier. Yeah, so the thing is, I don't uncover these most of the time. I leave them covered with my little wire baskets from the Dollar Tree, but I might have to start uncovering these so that they can really grow. Look at my collards. We gonna have some collard greens. But yes, let's see. All this stuff is looking really good. Like I said, I have these little waste baskets on these to protect them from the the white moth or the white butterfly, whatever you want to call them. So these are my brassicas. We have some cauliflower over here, collards. This is like broccoli. Here's some kale, and I think that might be broccoli over there as well. Let me see. Boop, boop. Yes, this is broccoli. But yeah, y'all, this stuff looks absolutely amazing. And the waste baskets have made a big difference because I have a hard time growing this stuff. So I'm just going to do my little tour, and I'm going to cover these bad boys back up because I don't have time to be playing games with that white moth. As you can see here, all throughout this garden bed, I have onions tucked in. I'm growing onions anywhere I can grow onions. So you'll see in a couple of the other beds, there are some onions there as well. This is the empty bed that I plan on starting my green beans in today. Green beans and some other stuff, but definitely want to get my green beans going. These are, I think these are collards as well. They look absolutely amazing. These are growing in a Dollar Tree planter right there. I have some empty planters here that I plan on putting some spinach in. This area right here gets shade from this tree, so it should grow pretty good here. I'm doing spinach and lettuce in this tower over here. This bin here had strawberries in it last year. Obviously those are dead, so I have to figure out what I'm gonna put in there. I'm probably just gonna put some flowers in there to grow. Over here is where I started because I couldn't wait. So I put a early girl tomato plant in here, and then this is broccolini. I actually got that from Lowe's a couple weeks ago. This one is a transplant as well that I didn't grow. I got those from, like I said, Lowe's. This has strawberries in it. These strawberries are from last year, and you can see they're starting to wake up, which is great. Over there is that is collards. I'm pretty sure I want a lot of collard greens. Once again, here we have our onions tucked in. Onions are supposed to help repel some of the pest of the garden. Oh, let's see. Ooh, this is really deep. Look at these. I think it's about time. Uh-oh. This one needs an upgrade. But like, look at this lettuce, y'all. Look at it. No, we're not doing that, sir. See, that's why I can't leave my stuff uncovered, because as soon as I uncover it, the bugs try to come. But look at this lettuce. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Nice and healthy. Like, this is just like a beautiful head of lettuce. Yep. I have 4. Actually, I have one down here in a grow bag as well. And then, oh, let me finish with this bed. Let me be strategic. These are collards as well. They look so good. All right. So that's this bed. Oh, I hate when my shadow's in there. Let me come this way. Okay. So that's this bed. Lettuce, oh gosh, what are these? Collard greens, and then the broccolini. And then this is actually where my tomatoes will go. So like I said, I planted 2 of my tomatoes because I just couldn't not put them in there because I'm a little anxious and I'm just ready to get growing. So I'm going to put some more tomatoes in here today. And then I still have other ones. So like if we get like a freak cold night and they get damaged, I have more. So yes, we're going to come over here. If you guys saw my tomato, oh, here we go. My potato video where I planted my seed potatoes. You can now see that we have some greenery. Yep, we have some greenery growing here. Very excited about that. So remember in that video, once we have 4 inches of green growth, then we'll add more soil. These are 2 grow bags that I haven't planted anything in yet, but my sweet potatoes and another round of potatoes will go there. In this bag, we have garlic growing. It looks so good. Very healthy. We have more collard greens here. More strawberries. This is a flat of transplants. These are spinach and lettuce that needs to be transplanted into the Dollar Tree stackables. And then this bed here, I still haven't decided what I'm going to grow here. Oh, my shadow again. I still haven't decided what I'm going to grow here, but I need to go ahead and get started thinking about it, just in case I am going to need trellis. I want to get those things in place before I actually start to grow. This is my Roma tomato. Yep. So I have a total of 5 Roma transplants that I will put in because I'm going to use that for like tomato sauce and barbecue sauce. My Dollar Tree stackables, here they are. They are looking really good. We have some strawberries here. Ooh, look at that. I still haven't been able to find any straw. Look at those strawberries. I haven't found the straw so that I can get the strawberries off the dirt. I like to just be able to come out and eat my strawberries. They can't do that if they got dirt on them. Okay. Over here is another Dollar Tree stackable. This one has lettuce in it. If you guys remember that video that the lettuce had gotten sun scald and it was like gone completely, because I thought I hardened this particular container off, but I didn't. But the lettuce has started to come back, which is nice. And then I have these, which, man, they look so good. And y'all, I'm growing these in these Dollar Tree stackables. Like, you don't need a whole bunch of space and stuff to grow. Here's another thing of strawberries. They are looking really good. These are ever-bearing strawberries, so they don't really have any strawberries on them yet, but they are nice and green and healthy. These are more of the June-bearing strawberries. So you can see like they have strawberries because, you know, it's about their time to be in peak bloom. And then we have the strawberries up there. These have really struggled I planted these when we were still getting some cool nights, so these have really struggled. Really bad. So hopefully they'll bounce back. I mean, they are. You can see these here. Like, what is that? Huh. We'll see. Yeah. So my plan today is to get some green beans in here, get some of these tomato transplants out, and then hopefully the next time that we do a garden update or a garden tour, we'll have something to harvest, y'all. I'm ready. I'm ready to harvest. All right, folks. Like I said in the beginning, thank you for joining me and watching this video. I hope my garden is inspiring you to put some seeds in the ground and grow along with us. I will see you guys in our next video. Make sure you subscribe, and all you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye.